And maybe in the morning, too. Chance of some rain tonight through about rush hour tomorrow morning, then a pretty rapid clearing, we believe. We saw some scattered passing showers this morning. This was the radar at 2:12 this afternoon when we had a nice little cluster developing just south of Austin. Watch what happens when we put that into motion. If you were in downtown Austin or on the UT campus, you know what happened. We'll look at it one more time. It moved quickly on through the area, then completely dissipated up there over Williamson County, but put down 1/4 of an inch at Camp Mabry, 1/10 to 1/12 of an inch here and there around central Austin. Now, this is the current radar view, and you see a little bit of rain falling up there in Llano and Burnett County and Lampasas County, more developing back to the northwest. And I think we will see still more later tonight. Skies have actually temporarily broken here over the capital city. A little bit of sun out there right now, but not for long. They're going to fill right back in tonight as the storm system approaches from the west, and so we'll keep it mostly cloudy through our evening planning forecast. 78 now, 75 at 8, 73, still pretty warm at 10 o'clock tonight with an increasing chance of rain as we get into the late night and overnight hours. Temperatures around the hill country right now, 71 in Mason, 72 in Llano, but San Saba, Lampasas on the north side of a little stationary front up here, 57 in Lampasas. You drive right down 281 and you hit 75 degrees in Burnett. So there's your frontal zone. 77 degrees in the Marble Falls area right now. Georgetown is 73, 76 in Manor, 77 down in Buda, 81 in Bastrop, 81 in Elgin, 77 in Lexington. Austin's officially 78, and it is mostly cloudy, and it is 81 at the airport, and it is mostly cloudy out there too. South-southeast wind at 12 miles per hour in the city. At the airport, the winds are south at 18, and our sunset this time of year is at 5:31 p.m. Mole count today, 1,000 into the high category, but look for that to go up after the very humid air mass remains in place through the day and over the past weekend. That mole count always responds for the next couple of days. Temperatures back to the northwest, 46 in Abilene. Look at that, 46 in Lubbock, 45 in Amarillo. So you can clearly see where a frontal zone is, and it is along that frontal boundary that we're expecting the possibility of some strong, maybe even severe storms tonight. Our hill country, Williamson County, and the northwest corner of Travis County is actually included in the severe storm outlook for tonight through about 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Slight risk of some severe storms with some large hail. I'll show you that specific area in our 6 o'clock news tonight. But you can see the rain developing, most of it, the strongest storms to the north, and that's where we think the strongest storms will be. Some rain up in Oklahoma and the upper level low beginning to move out of New Mexico right now. And so this is how our computer model depicts the next 24 hours with some rain showers, maybe a few thunderstorms developing in the hill country, approaching the Austin metro area as early as 11 o'clock tonight. Then in the middle of the night, some thunderstorms developing along the frontal boundary right down into the hill country, maybe western metro area. Let's fast forward. 6 o'clock in the morning, you're getting ready for work or school. We may have some showers, maybe a line of thunderstorms right down I-35 all the way to San Antonio, but it's quickly out of here. Here's 10 o'clock in the morning with some lingering showers in our eastern counties, sun already beginning to break out in the hill country, and then tomorrow afternoon, the rest of us end up seeing clearing skies and some sunshine. Temperatures tonight will fall back into the upper 60s in most areas before that front moves in the morning, and then tomorrow will only warm into the mid to upper 70s. Not a strong cold front. The Pacific system moving by. The cooler weather will hold off till tomorrow night. You'll see that here in the 7-day forecast for tonight. This is late night, some rain, some thunderstorms, 68 the low. Tomorrow morning, some lingering rain, but it quickly ends. The skies begin to clear. We end up with a northwest wind and maybe 78 degrees or so. Then we're cooler on Wednesday, but not a lot cooler. 40s in the morning Wednesday and Thanksgiving morning. Thanksgiving afternoon should be just real nice. We have another quick moving system across the state on Friday, giving us a decent chance of some more rain, and then it looks like a little cooler but a dry weekend ahead for all your shopping.